From Gujarat's plains to international shores, India's renewable giant is rewriting its story. This is Suzlon Energy Limited, once burdened by debt, now surging with record orders, profits, and a mission to power a greener tomorrow. Founded by Tulsi Tanti in 1995 to power his textile plants, Suzlon pioneered the turnkey, concept to commissioning, model, designing, financing, building and maintaining wind farms. With over 21 gigawatts installed, operations in 17 countries, and a vertical structure, from blades to O&M, Suzlon is a true industry titan. Demand is strong. Suzlon's order book stands at 5-5.6 gigawatts with flagship S144 and S133 turbines anchoring projects across India. In September 2024, Suzlon secured a 1.166 gigawatts mega contract with NTPC Green Energy, the largest PSU wind deal yet. With approximately 30% share of India's 50 gigawatts wind capacity, Suzlon is firmly leading the field. What sets Suzlon apart? Integrated value chain, from R&D and manufacturing to financing and O&M, ensures control and efficiency. In-house innovation, turbine models like S133 and S144 operate on lattice tower platforms optimized for low wind zones. Annuity-style O&M business covering 15 gigawatts of assets, generating stable revenues across turbine life cycles. Still, challenges persist. A hefty debt pile, though reduced to under 1,000 crore rupees net debt, interest costs remain high. Past financial stress still looms in market sentiment. Policy shifts, like local content mandates under RLMM, may require adaptive execution. Suzlon ticks all the boxes such as growth in top and bottom line with improving margins, strong demand and execution reflected in order book, robust market positioning in tech edge, cost savings and value creation from local manufacturing policies. From pioneering the concept to commissioning model to delivering record performance, Suzlon Energy is no longer just rebounding, it's roaring ahead. As India pursues its goal of 100 gigawatts clean energy, Suzlon offers a powerful mix of scale, innovation, and resilience. Subscribe to @stocks_markets_economy for more deep dives into India's infrastructure and renewable champions.